Okay, so we're looking at a number of graphs here. We'll have a look at question 3 to start off with. From a choice of pink, blue, yellow, green or red, each student of Year 7B chose their favourite colour. The results are graphed below. So A says how many students chose yellow. This is where it's quite easy, we're just really working off the graph. We're trying to find out the information that we need to from the graph. Okay, so let's have a look at 3A. And here we just follow it up. So yellow, the number of students was 2. Okay, B, it says how many students chose blue. Blue was quite popular and it's in between 6 and 8, which means that 7 students chose blue. C, what is the most popular colour? The most popular colour was red. And D, how many students participated in the class survey? All right, let's just go through it. 9 people chose red. 5 people chose green. 2 yellow. 7 blue. And 4 with pink. So if we add all of those up, we had 7 and 7, 14, 23, 27 people. So it's 27 people in 7B. And E, represent these results as a dot plot. So I'll let you do that, but once again, if you need to get more information on your dot plots, go back to your key ideas, okay, and have a look at some of the dot plots. Okay, they have a number of different types of graphs. So here is our dot plot here. Okay, and basically this is very similar to the question that we're doing. It's got number of students going up and the color along the bottom, and then each dot represents 1 student. Okay, so every one of those dots represents 1 student. Okay, so in our case, red would have a grouping of 9 dots going up in its column, and then yellow obviously would only have 2, because in our survey only 2 people liked yellow. So have a go at the dot plot by yourself, and we'll come back to our questions. And let's have a look at question 9. Question 9 here. So the average income of adults in a particular town is graphed over a 6-year period. Now I'll just move that. Describe in one sentence what has happened to the income over this period of time. So we need to here make a bit of a statement about what we're seeing. Okay, and over here we can see that in 2005 their income times 10,000, so that means it's at 4. So that means the average income in this particular town was 40,000 per year in 2005. Now it's gone up a little bit in 2006 to 40, maybe 42,000, something like that. 2007 it went up again, quite a big jump from 2007 to 2008. Once again, in 2009, it's gone up all the way to 2010, where it's up around $60,000 per year. So if we have to describe what's happening to the income over this period of time, we can say it's the income has been going up since 2005. Alright, that's what I'd be saying about the income. In B it says estimate what the town income might have been in 2004. Well, in 2004, obviously it would have gone down a little bit, so I'm going to say it's probably going up. If we have a look here, it got to 50,000 in the year 2008, which means that it took 4 years for it to go from from 40,000 to 50,000. All right, so if it took 4 years for that to happen, I'm going to say that in probably 2004, the income was around about, let's say, 37,500, something like that. Once again, that's only an estimate. So any estimate, either $500 either side of that, would probably get you a correct answer. And C, estimate what the average income might be in 2020 if this trend continues. Well, I'm saying that it goes up by about $2,500 per year as an average. So $2,500 per year times by another 10 years is 25,000, and they're already making 60,000 a year, so we have to add those two together. So I'm going to say that it will be somewhere around 85,000 per annum. And that's where it's really important to answer that question in a sentence. Is if you answer it in a sentence, I can say it's going to be somewhere around. I'm not saying that it's a definite answer. If I just write down 85,000, that means I'm saying that's a definite answer. Because I'm putting it in a sentence, it's telling me that, hey, look, I'm not 100% sure, but I reckon it's going to be somewhere around there.